Introducing the BiGDUG Essentials 2500kg Pallet Trucks. Reinforced heavy-duty tapered front forks with pallet entry guide rollers to reduce pallet damage and protect load rollers. Featuring a high-quality, maintenance-free hydraulic pump system. With a high-precision chassis with less starting force, it easily handles loads up to 2,500 kilograms. Perfect for use with Euro and standard UK pallets. Roll smoothly with high-quality, wear-resistant polyurethane wheels. Rubber-coated, comfortable, non-slip handle with a 3-position lever allowing you to lift, lower, and set to neutral. And the best bit, it will be delivered fully assembled and ready for immediate use. To buy this or shop thousands more storage solutions, head to bigdug.co.uk.